In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use HubSpot integration with DocuSign. If you manage quotes, proposals, or contracts in HubSpot, connecting DocuSign lets you send agreements for e-signature right from your CRM and track every status change on the same records. In this walkthrough, we'll move from finding the app to starting the install so you can get the integration live with confidence. Start inside your HubSpot portal and open the trial guide. You'll usually find it from the main navigation or onboarding prompts when you sign in. The trial guide is a handy launchpad that groups common setup tasks, and from here we can reach the app marketplace without digging through settings. From the trial guide, click Marketplace. This takes you to HubSpot's catalog of vetted apps that extend your CRM. If you don't see it immediately, look for the app marketplace icon or use the search bar at the top of the guide. Next, choose the HubSpot Marketplace option to open the full app marketplace in your portal. It may open in a new tab. Give the page a moment to load. Filters and categories will appear once everything's ready. In the search field, type DocuSign. Keep the spelling exact to get the best match. You can also refine results with categories like sales or e-signature if your view shows many apps. The listing you want is the official DocuSign integration. Select the DocuSign listing to open its details page. Here, review the overview, screenshots, and the permissions it requests. This page explains how the app syncs envelope status to HubSpot and which objects it can access. It's a good time to confirm you have the right user permissions in HubSpot to install apps and that your organization uses DocuSign accounts compatible with integrations. Check reviews and notes about supported plans if you need extra assurance. When you're ready, click Install. HubSpot will prompt you to confirm the account where the app will be installed. You may see a consent screen outlining the data the app can read and update. After you approve, you might be redirected to DocuSign to authorize and connect your DocuSign account. Just follow the prompts and keep this tab open until the connection completes. If you get an approval required message, contact a HubSpot or DocuSign admin to grant access. That's it. You navigated from the trial guide to the marketplace, searched for DocuSign, opened the official listing, and started the installation. If something doesn't appear, refresh the page or disable pop-up blockers, then try again. Thanks for watching and happy sending.